fishing! Oh, I think I caught something. What did I get? Holy shit. Look at this monster. I literally caught a shark. I'm gonna eat it up for dinner now. Alright, back at my house, but the shark is cooking. Ding! Holy shit, it's done. Alright, time to eat this bad boy. This shit good. This shit bussin'. Alright, so this is it for the video. Like and subscribe. Bye!